Just a short video today of me drawing or shading in a double portrait. Welcome to the art project. If you enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have not already, please subscribe. Be more content soon, pretty much every other day or a couple times a week. So I didn't get the beginning of this drawing that I'm doing here. But I thought you might enjoy seeing the shading in of the whole thing. I'm using a point oh one Pigma Micron artist pen. One of my favorite pens to use. I had just drawn it out in pencil. As you can see there, I drew it out in pencil first. Got kind of a rough idea of what I wanted. Pretty much for everything I drew from the nose up, I just did a kind of a double drawing. An eye above an eye and a nose above a nose. Just whatever I wanted to. And then I started filling it in. Because it's one of the first ones I've done, I don't know, maybe that's not the reason, but I just thought I would go lightly with the shading at first and build it up. You can always get it darker, but you can't really erase it very well. So when I'm shading in with the Micron pen like this, I usually start out lightly and add more lines if I think it needs to be darker. So I'd seen another artist do a sort of a face with multiple eyes like this, and I thought it was interesting. It was a little creepy, but fun. And so I was sitting around doodling, and I started doodling this, and I can't remember the name of the artist. I wasn't paying that close attention. It was something that I scanned through, I think, on Instagram or something, and came across. But anyway, it was fantastic, and I mean that sort of in a fantastical, fictional beast kind of way, to see the double portrait, and so I thought I'd give it a try. It only took me maybe 30 minutes to shade in everything you see me shading in on the video. Maybe 30 minutes to do the drawing and shade what you didn't see on the video. So I've only invested about an hour in this picture. It's in my sketchbook, and it's potential to do in some of the other portraits that I've done on a larger scale. I did everything kind of just from my mind. I didn't have a photo that I was going by or anything like that, and which is why it probably doesn't look very realistic. But anyway, if you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell icon, share, and comment down below. Thank you. Why are you still sitting there? I think it is time for you to get up and go make some art. Now, push stop and go make some art. What are you waiting on? Go. Okay, bye-bye.